Cameras truly don't do this nail art justice, so I'm going to share with you how to create this stunning look for yourself so you can enjoy it in its full Batty glory. For this look, I am using Holo Long Lasting Base, Holo Just Vamping, Starrily Magma, Maniology's B421 Baroque, Holo Glossy Taco, and Maniology Stamping Plate M398. Using Holo Long Lasting Base, we start by applying a base coat. For the base color, I am using Holo Just Vamping. This is a crelly polish, which is to say it's a cross between a creme and a jelly, so it will not be opaque in one coat. With shorter nails it might only take 2, but with longer nails it will take 3 or more depending on the opacity desired. Since it is a cross between a creme and a jelly, it's not quite as opaque as a creme is, but it's not quite as transparent as a jelly, so you do need to build this polish up. It was created that way by design. Remember, it's better to work in multiple thin coats rather than one thick coat. Enjoying? Consider liking the video and subscribing for more. Now it's time to make some magic happen. Using Starrily Magma, I am applying a moderate amount of polish, not too thick, but also not too thin. This is a specialty top coat that takes any color polish and makes it magnetic, so it needs to be just thick enough that you can use a magnetic wand to pull the magnetic particles into place before it dries down too much. For the look I'm going for, where the stamp design hides unless the lighting hits the magnetic effect just right, I am going to pull the magnetic particles to the edges. This is kind of a velvety glass look. Since the magnetic top coat is also a burnt orange color, we're taking this deep purple crelly from flat to multichromatic and dazzling. Who doesn't love that? To achieve the bats, I am using Maniology Stamping Plate M398 with their stamping polish B421 Baroque. Apply the polish to the plate, scrape the excess, and pick up with a clear stamper before quickly, but gently, applying to the nail. You need to be ready for all motions so that the polish doesn't have time to dry on the stamper. You can either protect your skin with a protective barrier such as liquid latex, or clean the skin of stamping polish with 100% acetone and a cleanup brush. Finally, I seal the entire manicure in with Holo Glossy Taco, a quick dry top coat, for maximum shine and long-lasting wear. Voila! Enjoy your manicure. Thanks for watching. How about another video?